Hello there. Are you struggling with GST management at your dealership? Is compliance management pulling you down? Are manual processes in GST filing overwhelming you?
Reverse charge mechanism.
Paying tax to a suspended account.
GSTR 1 computation.
Claiming input tax
Declaring B2C
credit.
to B2B
Reconciliation on the
amendment.
GST portal.
Are these your GST challenges? Welcome to Readywire, AI-driven cloud ERP made just for automobile dealerships. Say goodbye to GST complications with Readywire. Automated GST postings, including RCM and prohibited ITC. Real-time reconciliation with GST portal. Precision reports in GST-compliant formats. Instant recall on any GST element. Transform your dealership with end-to-end digitization. From streamlining operations to enhancing customer interactions, Readywire is your all-in-one solution.